In this video, I'm going to be talking about a device called Litho. I'm sorry if it's reflecting, there's light over there and you'll be able to see it in the unboxing part of this video. So anyway, a big shout out to the whole Litho team because they sent me this device to test it and provide feedback. So basically I was following the Litho team since August, and I was checking out the device since the first week of August in different videos. I saw some tweets about it. I also checked out the website. It was super cool. I actually saw that it has a lot of potential, and I just wanted to test it. So 2 weeks back they sent me this device, and I must say I'm completely blown away by its capabilities. And let's take a look at what it can actually do. So the package contained a USB cable and a box. I opened the box and there it is, the Litho. So the device is capable of creating basic object interactions in augmented reality, like selecting an object, moving it, scaling it, and rotating it. You can download the Litho SDK in Unity, which offers a script component for each interaction, which you can then apply to your game objects. Implementing each of these interactions through code is pretty much like reinventing the wheel for each project. Besides, using touch on the smartphone to manipulate the objects feels somewhat inaccurate and causes a bit of frustration. Once you download the SDK, you can play around with the demo scene and understand how to use the SDK in your own project. Once you deploy the demo application in your own smartphone, the first step is to connect the Litho to your smartphone via Bluetooth, then scan your surroundings to find the plane's surface. So there are two ways you can hold the Litho device. One is the point grip and the other is the clutch grip. Additionally, there's even support for the left and the right-handed people. To calibrate the device depending on the kind of grip you choose, you can follow the in-app instructions. And now you're ready to use the Litho. So currently the Litho is in beta and I already see a lot of potential in it. I'm sure it's going to improve with tons of new features in future updates. I see major application of the device in augmented reality glasses rather than augmented reality smartphones. I'm not sure whether the integration of Litho and AR glasses is possible, but I'm pretty sure it will be possible in the near future. The way I see it is, whatever applications that we are building using augmented reality supported smartphones right now are basically just prototypes of the MVPs that are going to come in the near future using the augmented reality glasses. So any application that you are seeing right now in augmented reality supported phones, you can actually deploy it in augmented reality glasses as well, depending on the kind of capability the augmented reality glasses have. I haven't got the opportunity to try out augmented reality glasses yet, so I'm not really sure about what are the problems and what are the constraints. For all updates related to XR, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Cheers.